Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 15 Translation. In prokaryotes, the translation initiation site has usually AUG codon, but GUG and UUG can also serve the functions. AUG is initiation codon. The base sequence of alanine tRNA of yeast has 76 nucleotide long, was first to be determined in 1964 by Robert Hawley et al. Translation in prokaryotes requires some consistent sequence upstream of promoter region to bind with 16S rRNA of 30S subunit of ribosome. That the sequence is known as Shine-Dalgarno sequence. Question asked in IRI 2006, ARS 2007. mRNA is bound to ribosome by Shine-Dalgarno side sequence in prokaryotes. ICR-JRF 99 2001. Shine-Dalgarno sequence is related to the process of translation. ICR-JRF 2000. SD sites or Shine-Dalgarno sequence contains AGG. Translatable species of ribonucleic acid is mRNA. ICR-JRF 2000. Initiation of protein synthesis in eukaryote mRNA require a 5' cap. tRNA has got a clover leaf structure. ARSNet 2001. tRNA binds to the P site during translation. ICR-JRF 99. For transcription and translation, we must have a free 3' hydroxy terminus. ARSNet 2001 and IRI 2004. ORF sequence, open reading frame sequence, is the origin of translation. ICR-JRF 99. Translation is carried on tRNA. ICR-JRF 2001. Recognition site of tRNA is anticodon end. IRI 2004. The distance of anticodon from the 3' acceptor end is uniformly 66 angstrom to facilitate peptide bond formation between the amino acid carried by the tRNA molecule. tRNA transfers the amino acid from cytoplasm to ribosome. mRNA carries the message from gene and rRNA forms the part of ribosome and work as a site for protein synthesis. An amino acyl tRNA first attached to the site A. The P site influences the activity of A site since peptidal tRNA must be present at the P site for the amino acyl tRNA to bind to the A site. In eukaryotes, the initiator tRNA is methionine tRNA, while in prokaryotes it is formyl methionine tRNA. ICR-JRF 99. In prokaryotes, two release factors are there, RF1 and RF2. The RF1 is recognized by UAA-UAG and RF2 UGA-UAA. IRI 2003 question. Release factor 2 in prokaryotes recognize UAA and UGA. Again question asked in ARS 2007. Nonsense codons are UAA, UGA and UAG. They do not code for any amino acid and cause translation termination. ICR-JRF 2003. During translation elongation, 15 amino acids are added per second at 37 degrees centigrade in prokaryotes and 2 amino acids per second in eukaryotes. Polypeptide synthesis begins at the amino terminal end. During the process of translation, formation of proteins occurs from nitrogen carboxy terminal. ICR-JRF 2001. mRNA is degraded from 3' to 5' direction, firstly by endoribonuclease at 3' end and then by exoribonuclease from 3' to 5' end. In general, polyprotein are cleaved to yield functional proteins of less than 40 amino acids each. In general, in vitro system for synthesis of polypeptide or in vitro translation was developed by Bring-Marigold. ICR-JRF 2000 question. Beadle and Totem in 1941 gave one enzyme, one gene, one enzyme hypothesis by studying biochemical mutants in common bread mold Neurospora crassa. They were awarded Nobel Prize in 1958. ARSNet 2001 question. The first clear-cut proof of one gene, one enzyme hypothesis came from arginine biosynthetic pathway in E. coli. 8 enzymes controlling 8 biosynthetic reactions. Crick in 1958 proposed that DNA determines the sequence of amino acid in polypeptide. He also proposed Wobble hypothesis in 1966. Most of the antibiotics kill bacterial cell by inhibiting translation. IRI 2003 question. Virus can be cultivated in lab on living cells. Interferon is antiviral protein. Question asked in ICR JRF 1999. How do antibiotics inhibit the translation process? The first one, chloramphenicol. It inhibits the peptide bond formation between P and A sites of amino acids. Kanamycin. It binds with chromosomal complement and prevents protein synthesis. Erythromycin and cyclohexamide. They prevent the release of tRNA from the P site. Tetracycline. It binds to the ribosomal protein in 30S subunit and prevents translation by inhibiting ribosomal translocation. Puromycin. It mimics tyrosinyl tRNA and binds to the A site. It accepts the peptide chain from the tRNA at P site, but since it does not have a carboxylic group, the polypeptide elongation is stopped. Streptomycin, the antibiotic which interferes with 30S ribosomal subunit during protein synthesis, is streptomycin produced by Streptomyces species. Question asked in IRI 2000. Streptomycin inhibits protein synthesis by preventing reaggregation of 30S and 50S subunit into complete ribosome by preventing the attachment of tRNA to the 30S subunit. Streptomycin binds to a specific protein S12 of the 13S subunit. Streptomycin inhibits the process of protein synthesis, that is translation, while actinomycin D inhibits the process of transcription. Question asked in the ICR JRF 1999. Cyclohexamide is a translational inhibitor. It is added in the culture medium for secondary metabolite production. Post-transcriptional modification of proteins include formation of disulfide bond, proteolytic cleavage, glycosylation, phosphorylation, splicing, acetylation, methylation, protein processing and modification take place in Golgi body. Some interesting match of the following again. tRNA carries amino acid to the site of protein synthesis. Translation is the process by which protein is synthesized. Transcription is the process by which mRNA is formed on DNA. Anticodon is a site of tRNA molecule hydrogen bonded that bind to mRNA molecule, and ATP is the principal energy carrying compound in the cell. Again, the transcription is processed with the help of RNA polymerase, tRNA, anticodon, peptidal transferase, translation and semi-conservative replication of DNA is proved by Michelson and Stahel in 1958. So guys, these all are about the key points of translation. So let's tune to my channel. Always like and subscribe. Thank you.